Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this 2018 Land Rover Discovery, and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the headlight, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below, but with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight. So just apply Slip Solution to the lens, and then with the clean microfiber towel, clean off any contaminants that the headlight may have. So once the headlight is ready to go, just apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we need to do is just place the film to the headlight and align it to this section of the lens first. So once it's aligned, lift the film carefully and apply Tack Solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure to keep it aligned. Hold it in position with one hand, and with your squeegees tack it down to secure it to this section. And once this whole section is secured, then we could continue on aligning the rest of the film as we're stretching it to the edge of there. Make sure to remove all the solution that's underneath the film. And once this is secured, come to this section, lift it carefully, apply a little bit of Slip Solution, place it back down, and on the edge here you can apply Tack Solution. That way once it's stretched and it reaches the edge there, it starts tacking down. So stretch it up to the edge, and all the fingers that we had here start to disappear since the film was stretched. Hold it in position and apply Tack Solution on top of the film, and then with your squeegee, start tacking everything down, and make sure to remove all the solution behind this whole section of the headlight. Okay, and then once you finish with the whole installation, we move on to post heating the entire headlight. So the last thing to do is just post heat the entire headlight. So just apply Tack Solution all over the film. Grab your heat gun and start applying heat to each section of the film. And as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel just to help tack down the film, and also remove any small fingers that you may encounter. So just apply heat, tack down everything, and just go all over the film. And then once you're done with this step, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the 2018 Land Rover Discovery. We hope that this video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.